Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogtober day 9. You are going to see how we are going to get ready to go up to Starbucks. Today is Thursday, and all during the month of September on Thursdays, they were giving out buy one get one free Starbucks drinks. So I am hoping to catch the last Thursday, which is today, to go up and try to grab a buy one get one free for myself and Chuck, and then do buy one get one free for my kids. So let's see how this works. I also have a coupon in my phone for like 50% off of a drink. Let's go. All right, so I got the kiddos. Now that both of them are with me, I had to wait on Cam to get off of the school bus. So first I'm gonna go pick up my rent because that's like more important first. And then I am going to probably, while I'm on that side of, you know, like the street, I'll probably grab just Chick-fil-A or something, and then I will run across the street to stop. Okay, clearly I really just realized something. The buy one get one free is only on the fall drinks. So I'm gonna go and get the baked apple crisp oatmeal drink, and then I guess I'm gonna do I don't know, the pumpkin spice one cold, you know, like iced. I'm not really feeling, but we'll see what else I can manage up here. Actually, I just thought of something. I have a recipe on my Pinterest for a Hocus Pocus drink. So maybe I can do that one and still, you know, like pay for that one, but then get the apple crisp one or whatever it is with a percentage off. So who knows? We'll see. We'll see what we get into and what happens. Y'all look at this line here. Okay, so I'm here. You guys seen all the cars that are in front of me. I'm waiting. It's about 5 cars in front of me at the speaker. I'm gonna go up to the speaker and start off by ordering a venti iced pumpkin spice latte. I'm then gonna ask for 2 pumps of the white mocha sauce. I'm then gonna ask for 2 pumps of the apple brown sugar syrup pumps. I'm then gonna ask for some cinnamon drizzle inside of the cup, and then I'm also gonna ask for some cinnamon dulce as the topping. There was 5 cars in front of me and 1 pulled out, so now there's 4 in front of me. Red kinda. Literally almost there. All I want to do is place my order and like get around the corner and get the drink. Guess someone left a line. Okay, I don't think $30.91 is my total today, but we'll see when I get up to the thing when they take off the drinks. All right, so we're finally up here, almost. When I get up here, I'm gonna present my Starbucks card and then pay for my order. And from there, I'm gonna grab my drink. Okay, finally got the order out of drive-thru. Now I'm heading over to Wells Fargo really quickly to get my rent. So I was able to get all 4 drinks and 2 cake pops for only $20. I used my coupon for 50% off of Cam's drink, and then I also was able to use my fall Thursday special by getting one of the drinks for free. So let me show you. The mocha cookie crumble, the apple brown sugar crisp shaken espresso, caramel ribbon crunch, and then the Hocus Pocus venti drink that I'm going to try once I get home. All right, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's actually good. Okay, so I thought that I would break down how it went for Starbucks. So my order was the tall mocha cookie crumble frappuccino for $5.75. I got 1 chocolate cake pop, even though it was supposed to be 2. So for $2.95 we only got 1. I got a grande shaken apple oat espresso, which was iced. And then I also got the venti iced pumpkin spice latte with the 2 pumps of white mocha sauce. Added the apple drizzle, extra caramel drizzle, and to line the cup with caramel, which is the Hocus Pocus drink. So that one was a total of $6.45, along with the 80-cent charge, 60-cent charge, another 60-cent charge. So this drink came 50% off, which basically took off $4.23. And then I also got the grande caramel crunch frappe. That was $6.25. So they took off 50% of the higher beverage, which was the Hocus Pocus venti ice pumpkin spice latte. My original total was $29.35. It was bought down by $10.18 with the discounts of the 50% off, and then the buy one get one free fall drinks. And I gave a $1 tip. Tax is $1.02. So it brought my total down to actually being $21.19. Overall, I would say the Hocus Pocus drink was really good. I eventually did transfer it to a different cup. That way it was like all, kind of like mixed together. And it honestly tastes just like, it didn't even taste like pumpkin spice. It was really good. To me, it tasted more like a white chocolate mocha that was cold. And I was able to taste like the caramel in it. I was also able to taste the white mocha sauce, which is exactly probably why I'm saying that it tastes like a white chocolate mocha drink. And I could taste the apple drizzle. All of those flavors together definitely gave me like that fall vibe, and it honestly, like I said, was really good. So if you guys get the chance to go by Starbucks, go by and try that drink. The Hocus Pocus drink is really amazing, as well as like the 3 other drinks that I did last year for the Sanderson sisters. So the one was green, one was pink, and then another one was like kind of like a purple. Like I said, you can always alternate what it is you get, and always ask questions. I know that they probably get irritated with like the secret menu that we all come up with, but oh well, it's something that we want to try and taste. Okay, y'all, so it is the following Thursday, and it is actually, like I said, the last Thursday to do the buy one get one free. So I found 2 recipes on Pinterest that I want to try. I'm going to go up here to Starbucks now. One of them is going to be the caramel apple iced latte. So I will tell you guys how to order that. I'm also going to try a pumpkin snickerdoodle frappuccino. So let's see if I can get these made correctly. And then of course to do the buy one get one free. That way I can take one with me to work in the morning, and I don't have to worry about making a call. Y'all, for the first time, there's only 3 people in front of me. Hello? This is ridiculous. Nobody would say anything at the speaker. Like, for some reason, ain't that something? For some reason, they're closed, but your hours clearly state that you guys are open until 8 o'clock. All of a sudden now, there's no one inside. So, waste of time. Okay, so Starbucks was closed yesterday when I tried to go and, you know, like try these drinks. So here I am, it's 7:30. Today is my day off because I didn't want to do any PLCs or learning or anything like that. So this morning, I didn't want to do any PLCs. So I'm heading up to Starbucks this morning to go and try out those 2 drinks. And get my morning going. So I'm gonna take the kids over to Starbucks. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by ordering the caramel apple iced latte. Now I'm gonna order the pumpkin snickerdoodle frappuccino. Good morning. Can I get a venti iced blonde latte? Okay, I'm sorry. With extra apple drizzle?
No, but I can give you apple drizzle.
Okay, I'll pay for it. And then if I could have 4 pumps of caramel sauce in that. And then caramel drizzle on the inside of the cup, topped with vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Can I also have a tall vanilla bean frappuccino with 2 pumps of pumpkin sauce, 2 pumps of brown sugar syrup with cinnamon powder blended in to the drink. And with caramel drizzled on the inside of that, topped with the cinnamon dulce topping.
Tall vanilla bean, 2 pumps of pumpkin sauce, 2 pumps of brown sugar, cinnamon powder, and cinnamon.
Okay, so apparently they were successful with creating those 2 drinks. Hopefully they turn out to look exactly like the ones that were pictured here. So we shall see. I will compare them once I actually get the drinks and show you guys once I get home. Okay, so this is the venti iced latte. This is supposed to be this one here. So it does look like what it's supposed to look like. Can't wait to give it a taste. And this is the other one that you guys see posted on the screen right here. This is the tall vanilla bean cream frappuccino with 2 pumps of brown sugar syrup, 2 pumps of pumpkin sauce with cinnamon dulce on the top with cinnamon powder mixed in on the inside. So it does really kind of look, actually it really does not look like what it's supposed to look like, but this is okay. I also ordered a pumpkin spice latte hot. Not sure why I got a cold one, but that is a-okay. And then of course I got the apple brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. That is cold. So either way, it is what it is. I'm still gonna drink them, and of course I need to get ready to get home and try the 2 that are new. All right, so I'm finally back in the house. I'm gonna give these 2 drinks a try. So first I'm gonna try I'm gonna try the caramel apple latte. So here it is. Oh, jeez. The cold foam on top is bomb. I like this. I like that. It definitely tastes like caramel, but that cold foam on top gives it like a really good taste to it too. All right, so next let's try the, all right, so we're gonna try the pumpkin snickerdoodle next. Okay, pumpkin snickerdoodle, let's give it a try. Y'all, this is actually good. I can taste the cinnamon and I can taste the pumpkin. This is exactly how a pumpkin snickerdoodle cookie would taste probably. Okay. I give both of those a 10 out of 10 and I would buy those again any day. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to go over to Starbucks and give these fall drinks a try that I ordered. And let me know what your thoughts are because they are really great. I definitely would recommend these last two that I just got. Not only because they're really, really good, but oh, they just hit the spot. Especially if you work with kiddos like me. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for Vlogtober Day 10.